boys and girls, we're gonna do the timing for this engine. Why we need to do the timing? Well, this timing has to be done in about 100 miles. Okay. Looking for key components here. This one already loosened. That one. CB250 Well, you're gonna need a shorter version. Got all the tools at my disposal. Alright, so the plug is already out. Plug is out. In a way, this plug is not bad, D8 RTC, but it's supposed to be NGK. It's not supposed to be NGK, but I prefer NGK, and it's supposed to be DPR 8 EH9, or it could be a standard plug. It could be either or, DP7 EA9 or DPR EA9. Right, but most of the book says DP7. Well, there is a part of the book that also says DPR7. So I'm gonna gamble here. I'm gonna gamble on the DP7. Besides, I bought it a long time ago. Why not use it, right? All right, that's enough air to come out of the engine. Remove this. This is 15/16. All right. Oh, I'm not a robot, guys. It was already loosened. Can you imagine the nonsense of me possibly being a robot? That was a magic trick. Normally, there's also a timing here, and it has to align. But since I'm not building that engine, I don't need to go there. Alright, now it has to be counterclockwise. I'm looking for a T-mark here. Alright. Each of these bikes are different. This one specifically has to have a T. Alright, and my eyes looking at it like that. That line right here would be a line to the hole. And once that happened over there, if I were to remove that, there's also a camshaft sprocket line that is straight on here to here, but I'm not gonna remove this. Good. It's good. That's good. 250. Do not fit. Now, there are two ways you can do this. That's it. So now I can do this. $277 miles. Hear that? That was one shot. By now, the bike always dies. So if you're having the same problem, you know that you have to do the clearance. And you have to cap the plug and change it. Oh, by the way, the gap for this plug is 0.35, 0.03 to 0.04. So it's around 0.035 inches. I wouldn't say this is a first start. What I could say, .502. I gotta change the clutch.